Hello dear students, how are you? Hope you all are good and doing well. Doing your schoolwork proper at your home according to your teacher's explanation. Okay, so students, are you ready for today's class? This is your science teacher from LPM Public School situated at Kola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Let's start our remaining parts of the chapter number 1, which is you and your surroundings. In the previous video, I explained you about our surroundings. The things, what is surrounding? The things that are around us and our houses are our surroundings, like trees, car, bus, school, park, ponds, etc. We should keep our surrounding clean, not pollute, because it keeps us healthy. For healthy environment, we should not litter. We should not litter and throw the wastes in the dustbin, not here and there. Okay? So you can look at this picture and you can make it any paper or chart paper for your activities and entertainment. Okay, and we should grow more trees and plants because the plants are so look so beautiful and they give us many things. Okay, in this chapter we have to learn about the clean and green surrounding. Okay, so you remember that we should keep our surrounding clean. We can fall ill if our surroundings are dirty. We should keep our surrounding green by growing trees. Clean and green surroundings help us to stay healthy. Plants and trees keep the air fresh and clean. Okay, so we have now your chapter completed and comes on your book work. Okay, I hope you all are understand the chapter very well. Now come to the question number 1, objective type question. First is fill in the blanks with the correct word. First is the area around our house is called dash. They are given two options, school and surrounding. You know what is the correct option? Surroundings. The area around our house is called surroundings. Spelling of surrounding: SURROUNDINGS, surroundings. Okay. Now next, number 2 is we can fall ill if our surroundings are options are clean or dirty. You have to write dirty because we can fall ill if our surroundings are dirty. Now next one is dash keeps the air clean and green. Trees, TREES, trees. Now next one is the number 4. We should throw wastes in the dash, room or dustbin, not room, dustbin. Dustbin is the correct answer. We should throw wastes in the dustbin. Spelling of dustbin: DUSTBIN, dustbin. Now number 5 is trees. Trees dash be planted trees on our surroundings. Should or should not? Should. Trees should be planted trees on our surrounded. Okay, let's come to the next topic. B. Write T for the true and F for the false statement. First one is we cannot find animals in our surroundings. We cannot find animals in our surrounding. No, we can we can see the animals in our surroundings, so that's why it is false statement. Now number 2 is we should keep our surrounding dirty. False. No, we should keep our surrounding clean. So this is false statement. Now next one is we should not litter. Yes, this is true. We should not litter. Number 4 one is we can fall ill if our surroundings are clean. This is false. Yes, we can fall ill if our surroundings are dirty. That's why this is false statement. Now next one is trees help us in many ways. Yes, trees help us in many ways because trees give us fruits, vegetables, and they give us shade. So this is true. Now come to the C. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. First one is which of these are present in our surroundings? Which of these are present in our surroundings? Options given here: A. Plants, B. Animals, C. Buildings, D. All of these. All of these are our surroundings. Question number 2 is which of these keep our surrounding clean and green? A is plant, B is animals, and C is buildings, and D is all of these. Plants keep our surrounding clean and green. Now next one is number 3. Where should we throw wastage? Where should we throw wastage? In the park, on the road, in the dustbin, anywhere? No. C is the correct option. In the dustbin. Now next one is clean and green surrounding help us to stay. Options are healthy, B. ill, C. sad, D. beautiful. Healthy. Clean and green surrounding help us to stay healthy. Number 5. We should not litter. We should not litter. A is the correct answer. Now come to the next page. Very short answer type questions. Okay. Give 2 examples of the following. One is the things in your surroundings. Things in your surrounding. What things in your surroundings? Park and houses. Park and houses. Spelling of park: P-A-R-K, park. Houses, H-O-U-S-E, houses. And next number 2 is things that make us your surrounding clean: plants and trees. This is your notebook work. Okay, you can do it with my assignment. Okay, thank you.